Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture of Company Law and Secretarial Practice. This is module number 3, video number 2. In previous class, we have seen the simple meaning of secretary. Today we shall see the definitions of secretary. A 2 marks question will be there for your examination asking for definition or meaning of secretary. So let us see what are these definitions. Two definitions we will be discussing as per the Companies Act and as per the Oxford Dictionary. So the first definition given by Indian Companies Act 2013. As per this act, the definition of company secretary or secretary means any individual possessing the prescribed qualifications appointed to perform the duties which may be performed by a secretary under this act and any other ministerial or administrative duties. So, here, as per the definition of Indian Companies Act 2013, secretary means any individual, any person who is having the required qualification mentioned in the Companies Act. As per the Indian Companies Act, whatsoever the qualification is required to be a secretary, the person should possess that. Along with that, he should be appointed by the board of directors to perform, or he should be appointed as a secretary of a particular company to perform the duties which a secretary should perform. Whatsoever the duties of a secretary are prescribed by the act, that is, act means Indian Companies Act 2013, whatsoever the duties of a secretary may be, those duties are to be performed by this individual after the appointment. Apart from that, any administrative or other activities which are coming under his purview are to be, say, performed by this person, that is secretary. So a secretary means any individual possessing the prescribed qualifications for the appointment and should be appointed to perform the duties which may be performed by a secretary as per the Indian Companies Act. Apart from that, any other ministerial or administrative duties which are, say, coming under his purview should be performed by that person. So this is a simple definition given by Indian Companies Act 2013. The another definition given by Oxford Dictionary: a secretary is a person who is employed to conduct correspondence on behalf of an individual or a company and also to execute documentation and administrative functions. So here a secretary means an person who is employed or is being appointed by the board of directors of the company as an secretary of a particular company. He is an employee of that company, so therefore he is being employed to conduct correspondence work. Correspondence means the routine messages, routine letters and compliances to the government and functioning of day-to-day administrative activities. So everything comes under this correspondence. So this correspondence should be done on behalf of an individual or a company. As a secretary he should correspond, or as a representative of the company he should, say, perform all those duties. and also he is supposed to file the documentation and administrative functions. Whatsoever documentation are to be maintained, whatsoever reports are to be maintained, any meetings are to be conducted, everything is to be taken care by secretary. So a secretary is responsible for all these kind of functionings. So a secretary is a person who is employed on and should conduct the correspondence work on behalf of individual or a company, and also to execute filing, documentation and administrative functions. The another definition given by Random House Dictionary, as per that dictionary, a secretary is a person, usually an official, who is in charge of records, correspondence, minutes of meeting and related affairs of an organization, company, association, etc. So a person who is been appointed to perform all these activities is known as secretary. So this is a simple definition of a secretary. The other parts related to secretary, that is types of secretary, qualification of a secretary and other things, we shall see in tomorrow's class. Till then, thank you. Good day.